Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is my haul video for tonight. And I've already eaten part of my giant sandwich, so I didn't eat anything all day. I'm starving. So, 3 big pieces here. Fed Kitten, no mama cat. Fed Talkie and Orangey and Gray earlier this morning. We have 2 Italian sausage pizzas. These were on sale for $2.99. We have a steak, marked down $6, marked down 30%. I'll eat that tomorrow. We have 3 packages of baby Brussels sprouts. And we have, I haven't had these in a long time, raspberry turnovers. They take 25 minutes to cook in the oven at 425. They're really yummy. And let's see what else. Loaf of bread. Uh-oh. Nope, something got in there. Oh, probably the wet cat food. Alright, dozen eggs, or 18 eggs, not a dozen. And, I think the mail mix leaked. Package of Nature Valley fruit nut bars. Gorton's crispy battered fish. A jar of Concord grape jam. I have peanut butter. And box of Snyder's pretzels. I haven't had these for 6 months, so maybe even longer. A long time. And 4 cans of the very cute label here. Petite Cuisine. Grain-free white whole food. Little Violet's tuna. Pumpkin and tilapia entrees and broth. The cutest label. Little tiny kitty cats. And then there are 2 other ones here. Petite Cuisine, and the little cat on the label is going purr, 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 purr. Says here, I have no trouble reading this. Sister Rose's tuna, pumpkin, and ocean white fish entree and broth. Because I'm almost out of wet cat food for my kitties. So that gives me, with tonight's can, 5 days. And that's it, I think. Yeah, that's the wet food. I fed the kitties and the dry food. Anything else in there? Oh, my medication. One of my inhalers, because I'm having a great deal of my Advair, so great deal of trouble breathing. I think it's the other 2. Alright, that's it for tonight. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And I'm going to have a cup of hot tea, and then I'm going to lie down for the night. Have a good one. Bye-bye for now.